The world is moving forward. Fast. Lots of new intelligent machines and devices come to light every day. Watches, smartphones, robots, and even cars. But why do we need them? Take cars, for example. Self-driving cars are designed not only for our comfort, but also for our safety. As of today, the majority of all road accidents are caused by human error. These cars, however, come with numerous sensors that enable them to react much quicker than us, allowing them to avoid potential accidents more effectively. But how is a self-driving car able to see and does not just crash into the closest obstacle? Well, the answer is lasers. The car emits tiny, invisible, ultra-fast laser beams, which, after hitting an object, inform the car of what is ahead, next, or even behind it. Moreover, it uses cameras to distinguish between different road signs, animals, and objects. A self-driving car relies on GPS to take it from one place to another. Additionally, if it receives information about an accident or road closure, it may decide to take a different route. All of this data is gathered by the car's artificial intelligence, which filters it and makes decisions on its own. Kind of like we do. AI continues to affect millions of lives all around the world, and cars are just one example. Having recognized its crucial role in education, we've created the Photon AI Discovery Kit. Our goal is to build children's competencies by facilitating their understanding of intelligent devices and teaching them to create their own AI systems. In just one box, you will find everything you need to implement teaching AI in your school, including Photon Robot, lesson plans, teaching aids, and a dedicated app for smartphones, tablets, and computers. Their future is in your hands. Give your students a chance to become the best versions of themselves with the Photon AI Discovery Kit. After all, their future is our future.